Okay, I'm gonna do my best to, one, get through this video, and two, to actually edit and upload it, and my cat is in here already being a hooligan. Okay, I decided to do Halloween makeup. Obviously, I posted my pumpkin inspired one with my little pumpkin over there, and I liked it, and then someone mentioned that I should keep up the idea with Halloween themed stuff. So I'm gonna try to do that today. I'm gonna be trying to do a little zombie but glam. So let's hope I can do this. I'm not really sure how to go about it, so bear with me. Start off by always using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and put it all over my face, because we never know what I do to my face, so it has to be covered. I'm going to try to do my eyes first, because for my skin I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. Zombies usually have pretty light skin with like reflex of like purple and blue in it, because it's like looks like it's bruised. So I don't really have the product for that, but I'm going to do my best. So we're going to start off with my eyes first, and I'm going to prime my eyes with Morphe Eye Primer. I was looking up some images today before doing this. I'm thinking I kind of want to do like a glittery silver kind of thing, and then I think for the like dead look on my eyes, I think I'm going to put like a purplish color there. I'm going to put the purple on my eye to give it some definition for the glitter. These are already super stained, shame on me, but I'm also out of makeup wipes. So we're gonna do what we can do with this. I'm gonna be using James's palette. I'll also probably be using a couple other palettes. I'm gonna dip into first this light purple shade here. And I think that might be light enough. So let's see. So I'm still just blending this purple out here. I get so distracted. Like the picture I saw, she put like a black in hers to make the crease look more defined, but it's hard for me to blend out a black shade. So I'm using purples. Now the silver I have is like a glitter, but it's not very dark, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I have two different types of like I have kind of like a metallic right here, and she's trying to jump on the desk and tear stuff down because she's angry, and then I have the glitter right here. Okay, maybe I should try to put on the metallic first and then try to put the glitter on, because the glitter is a loose glitter, and it's gonna take layer after layer after layer to put that on. So maybe if I put the metallic on and see how that looks. I'm scared. Oh, okay. I've actually never used this metallic before. I've only used the glitter in here, but like I'm not even mad at it. It's kind of cute. Man, it's so hard to do my left eye with this stuff because it's hard to see with one eye. My eyes aren't great, obviously. I wear glasses all the time. I've been wearing glasses since like the 4th or 5th grade. So yeah, my eyesight is not, it is subpar. This is so weird. It's like wet and like, whew, like I'm used to the glitter, but this is metallic and it is so different. Okay, I know I don't look dead right now, but like we're gonna get there, I promise. I have to blend this out. I have to let this dry. So, I think while it's drying, I'm gonna put concealer all over my face because it's the lightest shade I have, and see how that works. I bet you actual beauty gurus, if they ever saw my channel, they'd probably be like, that's not at all how you do anything. I'm like, that's okay. We're living. We're living our lives here, and we're trying our best. I have no idea how this is gonna work out or how this is gonna come into play, but like I'm trying. I swear I'm trying. I had an idea in my head and I was like, wow, this is gonna be such a mess, and like I wasn't wrong. I feel like I don't want to get too crazy with like blending because zombies aren't blended. They're just a hot mess. Fingers crossed that nobody tries to come to my house when I look like this. I'll just be like, I'm doing Halloween makeup, yo. You ever done that in your life? Hee 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 hee. You should go watch my videos. Hee 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 hee. This isn't the first time that I've used concealer as like a whole foundation. Like I've had to do it before, but not this light of concealer. Like it was because I was darker than the foundation I was using, so I had to use a different type of concealer. Do I look dead yet? Yeah, I look pretty pale. It's working, I think. It's totally not the same color. We're gonna be using this shade of purple here now, and we're just gonna blend that in with this darker purple. I look like a hot mess. I don't like this. Like, if you ever want to ask me how to do wing liner, don't, because mine looks like this. Now we're gonna need to put like a fuck ton of purple underneath my eye. So I'm gonna go in with the same light shade of purple that I did up here, and we're just gonna like usually one, I would not be using this big of a brush, but I'm making myself look dead, so kind of need to. Also, my eyeliner makes my eyes look sad. It looks like I have pink eye. I think I need a lot of help. I don't know. Also, I'm gonna put some eyeliner on my bottom as well. First of all, what? Okay, just kidding. I'm not gonna put liner because that's hard as a rock. So we're gonna use black shade from James Charles palette, and we're just gonna fucking put a shit ton of that underneath the bottom of my eye. Just doubling just a little bit of the black on the underneath of my eye. Might as well make it look like I'm crying. I'm a zombie. I'm dead. I should be sad, right? I don't know. If I was a zombie, I might be a little happy about it. Maybe that's just me, because I'm a psychopath. Last time I did a look like this was my anti-Valentine's Day look. Even though I'm a zombie now. This is not what's happening. But I did like some tears like this very poorly. I mean, like, these don't look great either. I work with what I have. But one of my aunts, she commented under it. She was like, "You look disturbed. Are you okay?" Should I put glitter in them? Yeah. Wow, that actually looks kind of cool. If you look back here, that looks like an actual tear. Excuse me. Keep trying to do it as if I'm actually crying. Because then if I do that, maybe it looks like it's real. Oh, that would be so good. Okay, so if I was like, say I was the prom queen and that's why I have the glam, but then I turned into a zombie and I cried and I was sad about it. Is that good or what? I just poked myself in the eye. Starts actually crying. Hi, contour. How are you, sweetie? We're looking so pretty. So basically, I didn't explain this part because I was getting frustrated, but I'm just basically putting purple and blue all over my face to give myself that dead look. Just to make it look a little more believable, we're gonna take it down my neck. Wow, I look like a fucking train wreck. I probably look like just like an Oompa Loompa. Add some more black in to my face to make it look like I'm a little more bruised. Do dead people sneeze? I'm gonna put on some highlight too, because I'm supposed to be a prom queen. A prom queen who is sneezing and who has allergies. In what world? And then I'm gonna add just a couple things to the eyes. I'm gonna put on some highlight on my brow bone, and then I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eye as well. Okay, I think this is it. I know I look very purpley and blue, but when people are dead, the oxygen in your skin, you lose it and you turn into this gross looking color. So I know I'm a little more pink than it is down here, and down here is what it would look naturally. I hope you guys liked this video. I know I tried not to talk too much because when I'm trying to do stuff like this, I like to really focus. I will say this isn't the best that I've done, obviously. Like, I could do better, but I'm learning. So here's this for now. I am the prom queen turned zombie. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.